How to stop Safari from opening apps automatically. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop Safari from opening up apps automatically. Now what I mean is when you open up Safari and search for something such as YouTube and you hit the link, it'll automatically open up your YouTube app. Now the same goes for Twitter X and Instagram and Facebook and every other apps. Now, if you don't want this to happen and you want to open it in your Safari, what you can do is simply long press on the link and tap on open new tab. After you do that, it'll just open up in a new tab and you don't have to go to your app again. So let's try that with Facebook. Let's search for Facebook, hit enter. Now there is facebook.com, open it up, and as you can see, it's not taking me to my app. And yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.